Lore from Cinema Bravo for Miss Madonna. Miss Madonna, what happened during the long hiatus ng UXS? And what prompted you to produce movies again?
I think it has always been naman in our minds na magbabalik pelikula kami. No? Pero mas madali kasi yung bumalik kami sa paggawa ng series. So, yun yung Comedy Island, yun yung Last One Laughing Philippines. Malaking bagay kasi ang streaming platforms na co-produce din. So, yun yung parang mas madali for us. Pero, ang aking kasi chairman, si Mr. Tony Gloria, has always been a film buff. I mean, he came from Viva as a creative supervisor and then put up Unitel. So, it has always been in his head na pelikula gusto rin niyang gawin, maliban sa commercials. So, 2003, gumawa kami ng Crying Ladies, and sunod-sunod yon. Kaya lang, alam niyo naman, hindi ganun kadaling gumawa ng pelikula. So, after Maledicto, may gagawin sana kami with ABS-CBN na si Randolph din naman yung mag-direct, no? Pero, nag-pandemic, so huminto muna kami. And then after pandemic, we needed to parang reorganize ourselves. We needed to concentrate, of course, on restarting the business. Advertising has always been there. It never left us. Kasi alam mo naman, advertising, the daily grind of that. So, that has always been there. But, talagang plano namin bumalik ng pelikula. And ang isip lang namin, we started actually attending festivals. We tried to find out what the trends are, how the other countries were doing. We were very active with local festivals. We were active with FTCB, even Q Cinema. And in fact, meron yung Cine Filipino that we used to handle eh. Nahinto din yan dahil nasa pandemic. So, nasa mind na namin yun. And then, we planned for it. And I think in the right timing happened. In God's perfect time, as you know, we all say, happened. Piniyayaan kami ng Mujige. Tapos nakapasok kami sa MMFF with Himalan, which we are doing.
Congratulations!
So, meron pa po kami ibang pelikula na nasa slate na namin for 2025. So, parang I think this year is very lucky for us when it comes to film. So, all the time that we planned for it and the encouragement we got from our chairman, si Mr. Tommy G, yun ang nag-push sa amin na gawin ito. Hindi siya madali, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. Pero sabi namin kasi kung hindi kami mag-contribute sa industry, then parang nag-give up na rin kami.
Right.
Diba? So we want also to support in our own little way.
Thank you, Miss Mado. Janelle's next question is for the director and writer. Ang question dito ni Janelle is, ang sabi nila, Mujige hits close to the Thai hit movie, How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies. Is this true? What's your take on this comparison?
No-pressure ako dun kasi napakagandang pelikula yung Grandma Millionaire. Pinanood ko rin siya and sobrang naantig din ako doon. Siguro close siya because of relatability. Dahil nga yung family ties with the grandmother. Ito naman, mas in-establish natin yung family ties between mga tita. Kasi for sure, lahat kayo dito, tito, tita kayo ng mga pamangkin ninyo. And para ngayon lang makakaroon din ng pelikula that highlights or gives that spotlight sa mga tita na sobrang magmahal sa kanilang mga pamangkin. So, parang nakita ko nga sa trailer, mga comments sa mga tao na parang, ako din, tita ko, parang ang sakit-sakit sa puso, mga ganyan. So, feeling ko, hopefully, na-hit namin yung sweet spot na yun sa about family ties.
I'm curious lang, dito sa venue natin, meron ba ditong ayaw mag-anak? Wala pa naman, wala pa. I'm curious lang eh, kasi parang yung mga millennials daw, kasi di ba direct yung mention mo kanina, parang they prefer not to have kids.
Yung iba, parang for parents na lang. Pero naman marami pa rin. Pero medyo hindi na alien yung idea that not having a kid is someone na hindi ka makukumpleto.
Gusto ko tanongin tuloy yung mga support cast natin. Donna, ikaw, what's your take on having a kid?
Meron na po ako, isa, may 10-year maganda. Diba, oo, meron na. And kung madadagdagan, parang wala pa namang dadating na. Jojoy ko lang tayo. So yun, pero parang gusto ko pa ng kapatid, pero hindi ko pa naiisip. So,
Okay. Si Kay, ikaw.
pressure ako ng slide kasi matagal ko rin sinasabi na I'm one of those na I don't think I would do well as a mother, but because of recent events, it's namulat na ako na, you know, there's nothing wrong with wanting to not have children, but there's also nothing wrong with wanting to have children from present. And I think
Right.
that's where I'm
Baka mabago ang pelikulang ito ang iyong
nabago.
nabago na. Ayan na nga. See? Ana, ikaw naman. What's your take?
Meron na rin po ako.
Ayan.
Well, gusto ko pa ng isa, yung nabigay sa akin ng anak ko, naging, lalo akong nagpursige kong magtrabaho para sa kanya. Siguro kanya-kanya na naman talagang take yun. Pero, as of now, trabaho ko muna ako.
Trabaho muna.
Isa muna, dahil ang hirap ko kung magdadagdag pa nang hindi ka naman prepared.
Okay. Alexa, ikaw, as a millennial.
I'm actually a Gen Z.
A Gen Z.